Let us make this diya platter today and learn many techniques like texturing, ink transfer, dry painting, etc. So this is the MDF base that we have. I bought this from iCraft. Most of the stuffs here are from iCraft. Next, I'm using this modeling paste. What we'll do is we'll take a knife and just put this paste randomly and we'll spread it. Once the whole surface is covered, just tap it this way. So basically इससे पूरे modeling paste पे texture आ जाएगा. So it will give like a look of a wall, a rough look. You can paint it directly also. It's just that this will give a bit of more. It will add a bit of more drama to the project. The idea here was to transfer this design onto the platter below, where this tea light window is visible, right this way. So what we'll do first is we'll paint the base. Now I have chosen these two colors as they match the design very well. So this brown I will add it in the base while the blue will go on the top. So I've taken this sponge. I'm simply painting it. Now this is the part which will go in the bottom. You need to paint that also. You don't want to leave it uncovered as it's wood. So once you paint it, it is protected. Same thing, I also painted on the upper surface after carefully drying the lower one. Allow it to dry. It takes some 15-20 minutes. Next, I made a window with a marker on this design. And then roughly just chopped it off. I made sure that थोड़ी सी जगह उसके आजू बाजू एक्स्ट्रा रहे कि अगर एग्जैक्ट परफेक्ट जगह पे ना चिपका पाए तो it will just add on to more, just reduce the error basically. So yes, that's what I did. So one circle here, 2 and 3. Now we're gonna stick it. So this is like the Insta transfer sheet where we need to first remove the plastic sheet above. And then it's like a sticker. So you immediately make sure that the lines are horizontal and it is as per what design you want. And it is like right in the middle. If you're not sure, just keep it like this and then remove that base from below. Carefully stick it. It will just stick as a simple sticker. Now we have to take a wet sponge, just dab it. You will within 10 to 12 seconds or maximum 15 to 20 seconds you will see the design below. And then take another dry sponge or a dry cloth and remove the dampness of the sticker. When the print gets transferred, automatically this white paper above will glide out smoothly. Can you see? It's a very, very easy technique and our print is transferred. That's it. I'll just do the same thing for the other two also. Yes, our base design is ready. Easy, isn't it? Next week we're going to paint the upper layer, even that is dry. So I just took a brush this time as it was, it is not smooth enough for a sponge. So I thought a brush would be good. So I'm just painting it well. Make sure that you do not forget to paint on the inside the edges and even on the outside. do not paint on the behind, on the the back of this layer, because we're gonna stick it. So if you'll paint it, it may not stick that well. Now this is a dry powder, metallic powder. This is, I've taken a bronze color, sorry, a copper color. You can just dip in your brush in that powder and just do this. Very easily the color will get transferred, the pigments will get transferred. You can even wet the surface before and then do it, but it gets transferred very easily. So I've done this on both the sides as well as on this. If you happen to take more powder, don't worry, just wipe it up with a wet wipe, it will go away. Then again dry brush it. Take the white glue, apply it on the base of this upper layer. Place it about the design carefully and hold it for like some half a minute. And it's ready. Next, I have taken this clear synthetic varnish from Asian Paints, and I'll just nicely cover all the surfaces above and allow it to dry. Now this varnish takes nearly 6 hours to dry, so I've allowed it to dry and then painted the base as well. That's our finished product. Nicely use any tea light. This, just keep it as it is, even like that also it looks good. This is used as a single piece generally. There are many such designs. You can contact on the link below and I can show you. I'll just show you one more diya pair where I have used the same techniques. This is like a wall attachment, and it is also detachable. Means if you don't want to use it, you can remove the parts and keep it inside. I hope you all got inspired. If you do make such things, do share it with us. We would like to post it on our website. If you like this and if you intend to buy it, do contact on the WhatsApp number below. We'll get back with more designs.